Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I will be showing you how to delete a comment in Notion. So let's get started. First, you just have to open your Notion, and here I'm going to show you how to create a comment first. So you can just simply go and create your own template, or you can go to template and create one. So let's just say this is your board in Notion. So I'm going to show you how it looks like. So for example, I'm going to create here, this is my space. So if you want to comment, you just have to click this 9 dots right here, and you will see these options on the left. So you see here, comment, as AI, delete, duplicate, turn into, and so on. So if you want to comment, you just have to click this comment right here and comment anything you want. So for example, I want to comment, I'm in. Okay. So after that, just press enter. You can attach link, or you can mention someone and then tap this arrow facing up, and here it is. So in order to delete a comment here in Notion, all you have to do is to tap this 3 dots, and you will see here the delete option. So that's it. Now let me add another comment again, and I'm going to show you the other way on how to delete a comment here in Notion. So let me comment again, for example, this one, and then enter. And you could also tap these 3 dots right here, scroll down, and you will see this customized page. And then go to page comments, and then you can tap or click this arrow facing down and go to minimal. Then you will see this one right here. And then you can tap this 3 dots again. So that is if it's kind of hard for you to see the comment. I mean, if you have tons of comments right here, you can apply the second method. If you found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon!